Oh my god, I can't. I don't think I can do this. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a practice hand that I purchased from AliExpress. This is from Nail Lover Store. I'm doing a collab with them. I actually bought the nail hand and the stand, and it came with like nail tips. They shipped it straight away the same day. In total I spent £43.60. I obviously got taxed £7.27 because damn you UK for leaving the EU. The communication and delivery was amazing. Like, I had no issues. So I basically bought one of these, and they gave me another one extra for promo purposes. And then I have the nail stands over here, I presume. I don't know, guys. I don't know. You tell me how this works. I don't know. And this is the nail hand. Let's have a look. Wow. Oh, they sent me two. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, I can't. I don't think I can do this.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
How does it feel? It feels real. It feels soft, like it's been lotioned. It feels like, oh my god, baby skin. I swear to god, you know how smooth baby skin is? This is how it feels like. It doesn't have a smell. No smell to it at all. No. It's flexible, as you can see. Oh my god. This is scary. Right, it looks like it's easy to use. Instead of having your nail tips like this, no, you change it and you twist it. So it's like that. And that is how you would use it. So guys, you've reached the end of the video. I want to thank the Nail Lover Store for this collab. It's been amazing. Their communication has been superb from start to finish. I ordered the practice hand, stand and the nail tips, and they basically doubled my order, and that's why you're seeing two of each. So let me know what you think. What are your thoughts on the realistic hand? Because I was scared. I'll post up a video of me using it in the next week or so. Please look out for that. Please subscribe, like, comment, and please share the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.